Welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to see how you can install Ollama on your computer and how you can use Ollama to run open source models locally as well as on cloud. Then we will see how you can use these local and cloud models in Claude Code using Ollama. So let's get started. Open your favorite browser and go to ollama.com. Once you are here, you will get this command according to your operating system directly on Ollama website. You have to copy it. I will now open my terminal app and I will paste it here. Since I have already installed Ollama, I won't do this again. You can go ahead and press enter. This will take around 1 to 2 minutes to install. Once it is installed, you can write Ollama on your terminal and you can hit enter and you will see that Ollama is working here. Once Ollama is installed, now I want to download a local model. For that, I'll go to the browser again. Here I will go on model section. We can see the catalog of all the available open source models on Ollama. For this tutorial, I will be using latest Gemma 4 model. Once you click on the name of the model, on this page, you will see all the different commands that you can run for this model on Ollama. You will also see the models that are from Gemma 4 family. I will be using this Gemma 4 E4B 9.6 GB model. According to my laptop's hardware, I know that models till Gemma 4 E4B are supported. You can also check which model is compatible with your device. Just see your hardware description, put that in ChatGPT or Claude or any assistant that you want and ask if this model is supported by your device. Only after this step, go ahead and pull this model through Ollama. If you don't do this step and if you download any other model that is not supported by your hardware, Ollama would not be able to run that model on your laptop. I'll copy the name of this model and I'll go back to the terminal again. I will close this by Ctrl C and I will write Ollama pull and I will paste the name of the model and press enter. It will give you a success message once it is downloaded. You can also check which models you have downloaded by writing Ollama ls. As you can see, I have downloaded Gemma 4 E4B. To chat with the downloaded model, you can run Ollama run and the name of the model. It will load the model and then you can chat with your model. So it has loaded the model. Let me say hi. Yeah, it replied back to me. So with this message, we can confirm that Ollama has been successfully installed. Also, the model has been installed locally and it is running successfully. If you don't want to use this terminal interface of Ollama, Ollama also provides their GUI application. You can search for Ollama and press enter and you will see this beautiful application. In this UI, you can see the available models for you. This sign means these models are running on cloud. You can also see in the name, it says the name of the model and cloud tag. These models are not running on cloud. You will have to download these models. Since we downloaded this Gemma 4 E4B through terminal, it is not asking me to download it again. I can select this model and I can say hi here. And I got the reply back again. In this UI, you can see this launch button. Once we go there, we can see different commands for different agentic tools here. Remember that before running any of these commands, you have to install that particular agentic tool to work. In the last video, we installed Claude, so we will be going with Ollama command for Claude. I'll copy it from here, go to my terminal again. I will exit this and I will paste it here. Now it is asking me which model I want to choose. We can choose any cloud model and we can choose the downloaded model that we already have. I will go with this option and we just have to do that and Claude Code will start running with your downloaded model. In the model selection menu, if you don't see your downloaded model, then just run this command by giving the name of your model and press enter. And Claude Code will start with your model. I will say hi here. As you can see, Claude Code has started using my model that I have downloaded on Ollama. But keep that in mind, as I also showed in the last video, that this model is small and it's not that powerful and this model won't be able to do complex work for you. For complex work and more context window, you will have to use cloud running models. To select a cloud running model, you can go to Ollama's website and go into the model catalog. From here, you can see some popular open source models. So what Ollama basically does is, it take these open source models and they run it on their own cloud infrastructure. I have this small diagram explaining how Ollama works. So in center, Ollama sits. It also provides you these open source models locally, and it also provides these open source models on their own cloud infrastructure. And from your agentic tools like Claude Code and Codex, you can use these models via Ollama. Let's go back to the Ollama website. On the models catalog, I will go to Gemma 4 again, and I will now run Gemma 431b cloud model. I will copy the command again, and I will go back to my terminal, go back to the Ollama page again, copy the name of the model, go back to the terminal again, and paste the name of your model here and press enter. And now Claude Code has been started with the 31b cloud model. Let's say hi to test, and it has come back with an answer. Now there is one more catch. When Ollama gives you cloud running models, it is not giving it to you for free. For example, if I go to models again, and if I take Kimi K 2.6, copy it from here, go back to my terminal and run it here, it will open Claude Code with Kimi K 2.6 cloud, but it will not run because I don't have Ollama subscription. There are some models like Gemma 431b that are included in the free plan, but there are some cloud models that are only available in Pro and Max. And even in free model, there are token limits. So with Gemma 431b as well, you might hit token limits because you are on free tier. As I said earlier, to perform any complex task, you may not get away with it for free. You will have to pay at some point. Now the choice is yours if you want to go with open source models that are running on Ollama Cloud, or if you want to go with the proprietary Anthropic or OpenAI models. I think that's it for my today's video. If you want to see any use cases of this E4B model, let me know in the comments. And let me know if you want to know how you can use other proprietary models in Claude Code other than Anthropic's own models. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so whenever I upload a video, you get a notification. Let's grow together in this AI journey. Take care and be safe.